Have you started the video?
I've started the video.
Right. Okay, one shark.
One shark.
One little boat. Oh! Look at that.
Well, it works.
Made him. Alright, there's a bit of...
Does it dive?
Have you zoomed in, Gary?
Yeah, zoomed in.
I don't know if that's fast mode or slow mode.
All I'll say to you is your batteries won't last that long.
Oh, that's better. That's better.
What is it? Well, it gives you a bit of entertainment for 20 quid. I wouldn't go too far because you'll be jumping in to get it in a minute.
You know, don't you?
Eh? Bring it back to shore. Where are you?
It's only got a little battery, micro battery anyway.
Yeah. Can you do you plug it in to charge it?
Yeah, I brought the little charger with it. The USB. Little USB. Oh, I thought it'd be out of power by now. Oh, look at that.
I wouldn't speak too soon if I was you.
Oh, yeah. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Got to be careful, don't drop your phone in the water either. Well, I wouldn't say it's the fastest shark I've ever seen.
It's plastic, Gary. It's not real. Oh, it's got reverse though.
Is it?
Yeah, I didn't realise that. Oh.
Are you going to edit this video?
No, I don't know how to edit it.
How are you going to put it just out on YouTube then?
I don't know, Gary. I thought maybe you can. Like, you know, like boat life. Yeah? Buy the toys and live the dream for 20 quid. Look at that. That even looks real, doesn't it? With shark written on the side of it. Oh, yes. Look at it.
Oh, does it bleep when the battery runs out?
I don't know what it does.
Well,
It's doing well.
Well, I haven't got anything that would...
Oh, I've got something in the car that's long.
Oh, yeah?
Just in case. That's lasting better than I thought it was going to be.
Well, I must be honest, I feel I'm exactly the same. Oh, there we go.
Oh, yes. Corners well.
Huh?
Corners quite nicely.
Yeah. You're staying close to shore just in case it goes somewhere
You know
goes.
it.
Here comes some rowers. See whether it scares them. I wouldn't go too far because I ain't jumping in after it, I'll tell you that for nothing. Oh, waves.
All right, stop the video now, Gary.
Enough?